How to delete Activision account. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So once you have logged into your Activision account, you have to click on your profile on the top right corner, and this will take you to the account management, where you have to click on privacy and security and scroll all the way down to this deactivate Activision account and Call of Duty game data associated with Activision account. So you have to now click on this privacy and data protection, because there is no option in the setting and privacy to delete your account. So you have to simply click on that. And now once you're here, you have to scroll down to this submit a new request, and now again scroll all the way down and select your country of residence and check mark this I have read the above terms and I confirm my eligibility. Once you are done, click on this proceed to privacy and data portal. So simply click on that, and now once you're here, again scroll all the way down to this delete my personal information. And now here there are two accounts. So first of all, go for the activation and enter your email and password. So once you are done, you have to simply click on this login button, and once you have logged in to Activision, you have to simply select any of these. If you have one, let's say you have a Epic account that you want to delete also, so you can simply select that, and after that you have to scroll down and go for this I have read terms and condition and I am not a robot, and after that the remove account button will appear. So that's how basically you can delete Activision account.